Hi guys, it's Juno here, and this is portable garment steam iron which I had repaired. The problem of this and the most common problem of this unit is water leakage. So it is due to this heat resistant plastic which the manufacturer had installed, which actually cannot resist the enormous heat which is produced when the boiling water is coming out. And the tendency of this, because the manufacturer did not put metal casing on the top to press it down, so this plastic is bending, and that's the reason why it is leaking very badly. So what I did here is that I had fabricated, I look for a material which is suitable, and this one is okay. This is some discarded parts of a lock, and I had cut it on a shape which I could insert it on this plastic body here, and then but before that, of course, you have to remove it, clean the inside, because there is some plaque, inside, which is already residue of the water, which is look like already salt inside, and it's building up. So you have to clean it. And also there is a rubber gasket on this underneath this plastic, so you have to clean that also, remove that, clean it all, and then after you clean it, you install the excuse me, you install the rubber gasket, and then apply this high temperature RTB silicone gasket maker, which they use this when they are overhauling car engine. This is a good sealant underneath. And after that, after you abundantly apply the sealant underneath, then you have to install the plastic, of course, with the gasket underneath, and then apply this metal here and there. From that metal, then make a hole corresponding to the hole of this unit under, and then screw it down and leave it at least for a day to let this gasket dried up. And after it is dry, then you have to retighten it more of the screw, so that there will be a very good sealed fittings. It look like a rubber compressing it, so that will seal fully the leakage that's caused by the bending of this heat resistant plastic here. So now this is okay. What I do now is I will reassemble this. Alright, and this is the tightener here. And flip it upside down. Install the 4 screws. apply the ring. If this is damaged, if this rubber is damaged, you can just simply replace that. And what I had observed is you can replace this heat resistant rubber here, the one which is like a tube in the radiator of a car. You can do that. That's fine. Now install the wire here. The ground. Okay, now the water. Okay, now it's ready for testing. Install the hose nozzle. Now ready for testing. Switch it on. Put the clothes on. Maybe it takes a few minutes to boil it. Okay, it's starting to boil now. You see the steam coming out a bit now. Okay, then you can apply it on ironing the clothes, and it's good. The leak is gone, and so that's all, folks. And what you need on that repair is electric drill, a screw, metal plate. You can do this square or round, whatever it is applicable to apply to install there. And the important thing is this: the high temperature RTV silicone gasket maker. This will seal the leakage inside on the top of the plastic with the help of this reinforcement, of course, on the plastic, so that it will not bend back again. Okay, that's all, folks, for today, and good day.